Hey guys, I'm back with another tutorial video. So in this tutorial, I'm about to show you how to get sound on Reddit mobile. So I'll be showing you step-by-step tutorial. All you have to do is follow the instruction as guided. So without any further delay, let us get started. In case you have logged into your Reddit application and after you play a video and you're not able to get any sound on it, then one of the reasons why you're not able to do that might be the application has not been updated. So in order to update, you'll have to head towards your Play Store. Just simply open your Play Store application, and after you open up your application, on the search box type in Reddit. And you can see after you type in Reddit application, on the other side I have open button. So instead of open button, if you have update, which means that the update is available. Sometimes updating your application might be able to fix your issue. So after updating your application as well, you're not able to get any sound on Reddit, then all you have to do is just simply open your Reddit application. So for example, let's say that if you're watching this particular video, all you have to do is just simply long press or tap on it. So after you tap on the video, you can see right in the corner, in the bottom right corner of your screen, there is a sound icon or the volume icon. You can see just next to it there is a cross icon, which means that this particular video is mute. So in order to get a sound or in order to increase the volume, all you have to do is just simply tap on the sound icon right in the corner. So you can see that this particular video actually has the sound. So in some other cases, it might be that the admin or the content creator might have turned off the sound. So you might see the icon over here right in the corner, just like this, just like the cross icon, but you're still not able to hear it, which means that the content creator or the admin has actually turned off the sound. So after trying all of these methods as well, if you're still unable to fix it, then all you have to do is go back and then open up your web browser, and then on the search box you'll have to type in Reddit and you'll have to log in from the web browser. So sometimes it might be from the system itself. So after you log in from the web browser, you'll be able to get sound on Reddit. So those were the few methods on how you can fix or how you can get sound on Reddit mobile. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update.